Welcome to Google Flow, an AI creative studio built with and for creatives. Today, we're diving into the all-new agent in Google Flow. Built directly into your workspace, your agent offers a range of helpful capabilities. And today, we will explore how you can brainstorm, generate, edit, and organize your files with the agent in Google Flow. Let's dive in. First, to activate the agent, simply hit the agent button inside the prompt bar. You can toggle this on or off at any point. Now, your agent is ready to help you get to work. Think of it as your creative assistant, great for bouncing story ideas or exploring visual styles. Your agent provides strong starting points, and you can chat back and forth to develop your concepts and explore the paths you like most. The agent also helps maintain character adherence. For example, if you have a named asset like a character or setting, simply tag them in your prompt to pull them in as references. And if you want to explore more creative directions, your agent can help you visualize different variations for you. Just drag in an output to create multiple versions, all in one go with a single prompt. With the help of Gemini Omni, your agent can also edit multiple assets at once, making it easier to refine creations across your project or maintain a specific visual style. Finally, you can even ask your agent to organize your key assets into specific collections. And that's a quick look at the new agent in Google Flow. Start creating today at flow.google.